just getting too high. Like, what a girl with the food stamps. Like, hit me up, okay?
Damn real. The wheels on the bus go round.
So I know y'all probably tired of seeing me like this. I'm tired of seeing myself like this, okay? We're doing the hair today, y'all. We doing hair today. I've been saying this for so long, but we're doing hair today. Let me start this over, okay? Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Hey, friends. So, that's more like it. Y'all, this is a beautiful day, okay? I just pulled into my garage. I did some grocery shopping this morning. Y'all would swear that I have food. Y'all, I swear I'm looking like, what the fuck did I buy? Like, I guess I could show y'all in the house. Because, y'all, we got a juice today. But, I just need something to eat. So, I'm probably going to go in, bring these groceries in because Jay is on a meeting call. So, I'm going to bring these groceries in. I'll show you guys what I got because food just getting too high. Like, what a girl with the food stamps. Like, hit me up, okay? I guess I can't say that because, you know, that's illegal. But hit me up. Okay, so anyway. Yeah, you guys, I dropped Lil Man off. I am off today, but I'm really not off because just because I'm off from the salon, it doesn't mean that I'm off from work because I have to edit. I have to get a video out. I have to vlog today. Okay. At least we don't clean today. Oh, I thought that was Jay. But anyway, okay. I'll see y'all inside. Your girl hungry. I want some cereal. Y'all, I was about to say, what, Texas, what the fuck y'all got going on? Like, y'all done let Avid back in here. Like, what? That's a whole nother story. Girl, I think I just got heartburn. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. So, I got a can of Sprites. I love these little minis. Oh, my God. And Big Red is my favorite. Okay, I got some applesauce. Some blueberry muffin mix because I'm probably going to make little buntlets with that. And I'll record that process if y'all want to see it. This, what's here? That, of course, I didn't use. Yeah, that's for my son. I got a pineapple for my juice. Broccoli because I'm going to make some broccoli tonight. Then we have, oh my God, y'all. So if you're lactose intolerant, they looking out for us. You know, they got us. This is so good. Now, of course, I love homemade eggnog, but you know, I don't feel like making it. Okay, so we got some eggs, corn, because I'm gonna give that to my little one. Hopefully he likes it. Of course, need milk. This is for my little one, and of course, this is for mommy and daddy. I'm just playing. Okay. Then I got some Fruit Loops because your girl likes cereal. Red beans for my little one, some tortillas because I'm probably gonna make some jerk chicken tacos today for lunch. Of course, you need your Greek yogurt, and I have this for my little one seasoning, and I'm gonna try him with these veggie sticks. Hopefully he likes it, and that's it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this stuff up, and then I'm gonna grab me some cereal, and I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back. I promise. After I eat, I'll be back because we got things to do today, and I need y'all with me because who else I'm gonna talk to? Okay. All right. Bye. So y'all, this is a great little lunch snack. I'm frying up some chicken breasts, and all I did was marinate them in this Jamaican jerk sauce. It's so good, but it's spicy. I let it fry on both sides for a little while, and I chopped it up, and I'm just going to put it in a tortilla, and y'all, it is so good. Look at it. Now, this is kind of dry because I haven't added my sauce yet, but it's the best. Okay, y'all. I got to tell y'all about this bull, okay? Like, I really want to say the whole word, but I don't know. YouTube be tripping. Okay, so y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. I go to get my license renewed, right? DMV tell me, no. So I tried to do it online, right? They were like, nah, you're not eligible. So I'm like, oh shit. Like, do I got a warrant or something? Like, what's going on? So they tell me, so I'm like, okay, let me go in. So go in, go down to DMV, right? Y'all, these people say, yeah, you're not eligible due to something, a failure to appear in 2018. I'm like, a failure to appear? I say, it can't be. I say, because I've had, you know, my license renewed. I've had changes to my license and things that would have prevented me from getting it, you know, like, oh my gosh, you know, things. I can't think of it right now, but I'm like, nah, so that can't be right. So I'm going to, because, okay, let me start over, okay? So I get on the phone with the area where they said I had the violation. She was like, oh no, that's a mistake on our end. They should have got rid of that. I don't know why that's still on there. I said, oh, okay, I'm at DMV. How about, she's like, I said, how about you stay on hold so I can tell them that? DMV tells me, oh, it takes up to 21 days for it to be removed. I said, 21 days? So she was like, yeah. I'm like, oh, fuck no. Okay. So she gonna say, well, you know, it could be sooner, it could be 21, but that's what it takes for it to be online. So I'm like, nah, man. So DB, the lady on the phone at the, you know, the other place, she was like, well, that it should have been immediate. I don't know. She's like, but if you get pulled over, you'll have a fighting chance of winning. Fighting chance? Girl. So she said, yeah, a fighting chance. I said, right. I said, ma'am, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this online or not. I mean, on the phone or not. But I'm going to have to drive 30 because your girl has to go to work. I have a kid. I got places to be. I can't just be sitting at home waiting on y'all to update this. She was like, well, yeah. She was like, yeah, but you should have a fighting chance. Oh, okay. I got your fighting chance. I'm about to pull up on you. Okay. I said, what's your name? She said it. I'm about to pull up on you. So I'm headed there to pull up on them because y'all got me up, okay? Like, y'all got me messed up. I'm not about to play around with y'all. Then I go to the wrong place, y'all. I go to the wrong place. And the cop, you need help? I'm like, So, because I don't want no stuff, y'all, like this 2022. Let's not act like, you know, little situations don't be happening. So I'm like, nah, I don't need no help. He was like, nah, let me help you. Oh, Lord, okay. So I was like, yeah. So I'm trying to explain to him. He's like, yeah, you're at the wrong place. I'm like, yeah, but I'm not. This is your fault. Like, don't. Y'all, I want ice cream. I stress eat, y'all. I stress eat. And see this little car in front of me? I'm about to, if this was Grand Theft Auto, I'll flip this car over. Like, go. Girl, we in Texas. We don't drive. Like, go. What are you don't want to go home? Like, jeez. Okay, y'all. I'm done yelling, though. So here is everything I'm going to use to do my juice. This is pomegranate, mangoes and orange, my pineapple, my machine, and I'm gonna get some ginger and we're just gonna cut that up and that's it. We're about to juice. I showed you guys what we're juicing today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into that. And again, if you guys have any questions about my juicing, please just let me know, but let's get into it.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, but we call it pussy figure. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple right, first his ass get bigger. Freaking on licking, I'm looking at some nigga. If it's money right, you can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for these fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, make that fake ass hoe. I'm the realest bitch, never see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. If you might need me and I can't know when I take up. Tired ass hoes in my page trying to check up. Brand new chain, city girls going pregnant. I think a baby got, I ain't fighting with no random period. You bitches weak, you too serious. I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. See the dash in the rubbers, I can fake the furious. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. Can't touch a nigga, walk his tongue for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, little pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without they cabbage. Pop a pussy bitch, quick, I can fuck with I ain't never worry, I can do it for fun. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you can get smashed up. 30 years, yes, baby girl, you need to back up.
Yeah. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on the first white suit and the mini coupe sitting on love. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I step inside. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. The young thing that was working all the way to the top. Tell me what is her name? Ooh, she made us drink. We drunk and just drunk and made us drink. I'm cool. She gave me a week, I'm waiting back. And made her think that she gave me something from my life. Like a bartender. Listen to me like a bartender. Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Beside a Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night I'm on the list, Tuesday plus 3.
Thanks, babe.
No
Yes.
problem, no problem.
Thanks. Lunch was amazing, you guys. It was so good. We went to this place, Jupiter. It's in Sugar Land, Texas, right outside of Houston, and it was so delicious. I enjoyed it. It was definitely a 10 out of 10. I recommend. And now we're about to head home because Jay has to finish working. We was just on lunch break, and I have to finish my hair. Then we have to go get Nessa girl from the airport, so I'll bring y'all along. But other than that, it's just a beautiful day. We're gonna miss Jay tomorrow. But yeah, all right, so I'll talk to you guys once I get home and settled, and we'll review this. Hey you guys, so I know it's a little dark in here. I know the lighting isn't the best, but hold on, let me go up a little bit. Okay, so I know it's not the best, but just work with me here. So I'm here to pick up Nessa. I'm at the airport. Y'all, I am so hungry. I cannot wait to eat these wings. Y'all know on Fridays, most Fridays, I go get my Wingstop. But yeah, I'm excited about my trip, y'all. I have not packed, so please don't ask me. Because I have not packed for this trip, but it's okay. You know, it's gonna be fun. I cannot wait. I cannot show you guys what all I've done in Denver. I have some things planned and it's gonna be so fun. So yeah, but other than that, y'all, I'm just chilling, waiting on her. I gotta do her hair. I gotta curl my hair for tomorrow. I have to do her hair. I lightened her hair, but it was like orangey, and that wasn't what I was going for. So I need to go ahead and redo that or figure that out. Probably tone it down or something like that. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm probably gonna like cut this vlog here. I'm probably gonna just cut it here because my next vlog will be entirely the trip. So I think that'll be a cool little vlog by itself. So I don't want to make this one too long. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later, y'all. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell that I'm excited, but I am so excited. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. Right now it look like I'm doing bald head hoe shit with these where's my lashes? Where the hell is my lashes? Okay, gotta put my eyebrows on. But tomorrow, baby, I am giving, she's a bad bitch.